Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing fine and so am I. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. You must be wondering, what am I doing with this apple? What is this? First of all, this is A for apple. A for apple. And this is red in color. This is red in color. It's a fruit, you know. It's a very, very healthy fruit, and you should eat it every day, okay? So, and today's rhyme is about an apple. Today's rhyme is about an apple. Let's learn this rhyme. Okay, today's rhyme is about A is for apple. A is for apple. Now, what do we see here in the picture? We see two little children here, right? And what are they doing? They're eating these apples. They're eating these apples. Apples are in the baskets. There are so many apples in the basket and they're eating them because it's a very healthy fruit. Do you eat apples at your home? Yes, you must eat apples every day. So, let's start our today's rhyme and you will all sing it with me, okay? Let's start. A is for apple, A is for apple, round and sweet, round and sweet. Red, red apples, red, red apples, so good to eat, so good to eat. Very good. It's a very simple and very nice rhyme. So you will sing it one more time with me. Let's start. A is for apple, A is for apple, round and sweet, round and sweet. Red, red apples, red, red apples, so good to eat, so good to eat. Very good, everyone. Now, I hope you will eat an apple every day because an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay? अगर आप डेली वन एप्पल खाएंगे सो आप डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाएंगे एंड वो आपको इंजेक्शन भी नहीं लगाएंगे फिर. ओके? वेरी गुड. Now, you will eat an apple every day and you will learn this time with your mama. Okay? Till then, happy learning everyone. Bye bye. Take care.